Hi guys, welcome to my channel D Cares and Shares. Today we are doing another science experiment that you can do at home with available things that you can have at home. It's not like a volcano or a science model set. It's actually we're going to be learning about surface tension, where here, this experiment is called Magic Milk Experiment, where what we're gonna do is that we're going to pour in some milk here until it covers this part. So should we actually do it? Okay. So let's pour in some milk. Pour in this. This is enough because it covered this bottom. Now what we are going to do is not the most fun part, but what we have to do is we need food coloring here, so we have to drop a few times food coloring here. So I put some yellow, maybe, or I don't know what I put. Maybe this, maybe this. Oh no! It's almost doing it. Oh no, it's okay. Some blue here, some blue here. And the last one is this green. Well, it looks like green. Ooh, now what we have to do is we have to get some dish soap. So we need 1 drop of this dish soap, and let's watch what happens. Wow, look at it. All these colors ran away from the dish soap. Now it looks like art with milk. Look at this color. It kind of looks like a rainbow. So what happened is that once we put the dish soap into the milk with the food coloring, there was a surface tension, and all the colors went running away from the dish soap. And look at it now. Look at this part. It looks like a colorful, not in order rainbow. I want to see what happens if I put some more color and some more dish soap. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3, and let's see this green, I think. I can't tell by the color because it's not really. And 1 and 2 and 3, and there's blue here, just like I maybe put 2, 3. Then I think I should put a few more here. Now let's put some more dish soap here. I'm gonna get some more dish soap than I did last time, and I'll put it in. It doesn't work. I wonder what happens. I wonder why it does not work. Maybe I will research, and on my next video I might tell you. Bye! I hope you like this mini science experiment that you can do at home. I hope maybe you can do it too. Well, I think it is because the surface tension was already broken by the first one, so that's why when we did a second attempt, it would not work. But we could have some fun and mix it up. I hope you like it, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and share these videos with my friends. Bye! Wow!